All right, so we're at the whiteboard. The role of a coach. I know I'm in the way. I'll try to keep moving out of the way for you. The role of a coach. Number one, phone script, role play, objection handling. Again, paramount to your success is someone that you can get on the phone with after every dial session. If you read the script 5 to 10 times and you don't book an appointment, you need to be back on the phone. It's called learn knowledge, activity knowledge. In other words, you're going to learn a little bit, you're going to go do some activity, you're going to come back to that coach, do more learning, then go do more activity. That give and take exchange for 4 to 5 weeks will turn you into a very, very good appointment setter as long as you're working with somebody that knows what they're talking about and they're not faking it, right, hoping that you're going to make it. And they can ride off in the sunset and get rich. So phone script, role play, objection handling, number one in my opinion. And so the next one is booking appointments. Okay, again, very critical. Booking an appointment is what kind of information you can get on the phone and that whole objection handling, give and take. The next one is case strategies. By the way, all these things we do with our agents, that's why our numbers are so high, okay? Their numbers are so high. By the way, all these things we do with our agents. That's why I know they're very, very important because I can see their numbers and the percentages of new agents that come in and get deposits into the bank account. Number three, again, case strategies, product selection and type. Huge, okay, huge. If you get this one wrong, you're going to go out there and write 10, 15 applications and get 3 through underwriting. Now you bought the lead, you've gone out to the appointment, you botched the product selection. What we do here is we match the client's medical history with their budget, their age, with the right carrier and product. That's what we do all day, every day. If you miss that one, you're going to be writing a lot of applications that never go through underwriting and you never get paid. Number one, without question, critical, cash flow, botch is not doing this one right. Okay? Writing applications doesn't make you money. We're not employees here. We're independent brokers, meaning we get paid commission on what gets issued and paid. So writing it may keep you busy, but it won't keep you fed. Okay? Number four, lead types and demographics. They're just different types of leads, right? Do you want to work age leads, brand new leads, where those leads are, the demographics of the area you're working in makes a difference. A good conversation to have with that coach. Okay? Run rates. Run rates for your appointment. Someone to help you run the rates so you can put them down on a worksheet. Go into the home. How much and how long, right? How much coverage you're going to go in with. You should go into the house with 3 or 4 options max. Not in there with a laptop for 3 hours crunching all these numbers because what? A confused mind does what? It shuts down. Give them 3 to 5 options maximum, 15, 20, and 30 years if they qualified for it. And non-med should lead the selection, then backed up with 1 fully underwritten option, and then maybe a final expense option if they're over 50. Good conversation to have with the coach, right? The next one is in-home 911 support. We convert 50% of these calls for our agent. In other words, can we think about it? I'm not sure I want to do this. Or, maybe call me next month, or I'll talk to you in 6 months. When the agent calls into our office and we get on the phone with the client kneecap to kneecap in the home on speakerphone with our agent, we convert probably 50% of these into sales. We want them covered while we're in the home. This is not a follow-up business. It's a one-call close if you do it correctly, okay? Working, again, in order to do this right, you got to have what? A coach, but not a coach that you can call. Someone that has knowledge, is good with people, has years of experience, that also has closed sales themselves, because if they haven't closed sales, they're going to be no good to you, because if they haven't ever sold one, they're no better than you are. Okay? You got to have somebody that has experience and can handle the objections and can move that client to an application. Number 7, working with your pendings. I just spoke about it a few minutes ago. No more needs to be said about it. But working with your pendings, again, is a critical cash flow issue. You don't get those pendings from submission to commission. Your client doesn't get the coverage, and you don't get paid, right? So these things are critical to your early success. I would argue forever, really, okay? But these things are things that your coach, right, as long as they're leading from the front, that's my hashtag, put that in the comment section and know you will watch the video through its entirety. No fake coaches, right? Not ones that have never sold anything themselves at all. No get-rich-quick recruiters, right, who's hoping to recruit 1,000 people and someone's going to make them rich, and hashtag no fake it till you make it coaches, right? You got to have somebody that knows what they're talking about, that's done it, that is leading from the front. And not having that and only focusing on the IMO, you'll be chasing IMOs the rest of your life, because what you really need is some hands-on coaching from someone that's doing it and is leading from the front. And without that, that's why some mortgage protection agents fail. Hope this is valuable. Again, if you haven't already done that, smash the subscribe button, hit the bell, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, make me a comment, shoot me an email, text, or a phone call if you have questions, and we'll jump on the phone together and we'll figure out what's best for you. Bye-bye now.